Hello everyone. A time ago, I made a video bringing Miui 15 widgets to other Xiaomi devices. In that video, Miui 15 widgets support home screen with app drawer. Today in this video, I will share you part 2 of Miui 15 dynamic widgets. These widgets support the classic home screen without app drawer. You can custom widgets according to your will. Let's bring it into your device. Now, on my device without the widgets of Miui 15. Open Settings app and go to Backup and Restore. Uncheck All, only check System Launcher to backup. After backup completed, open Miui File Manager and locate to the path. Set time modified. Select latest folder. This is original backup file of your system launcher. You can copy this file to another place for storage. Example, I will create new folder to save this file. Paste copy file into here. After saved original backup file to another place. Download file in video description. This backup include Miui 15 dynamic widgets. After downloaded file, copy file to the path. Select latest folder. This is original backup file of your system launcher. Paste downloaded file into here. Replace original file by downloaded file. Downloaded file already. Replace original file. Return to backup and restore in settings. Select Restore tab. Select latest backup. This backup include Miui 15 dynamic widgets. After restore completed, you will see these widgets on your home screen. Miui 15 dynamic widgets support Chinese language now. You can hide name of widgets. Now, it's time to reorder your device's home screen. Or you can remove some widgets if you want. These widgets are very diverse and interactive. Support classic home screen without app drawer. If you want, return to default of your home screen. Open Miui File Manager and locate to folder saved original backup file. I saved the file here at the time. Copy or move file to the path. Select latest folder, paste and replace original file into here. After replaced file, return to backup and restore in settings. Select Restore tab and choose Latest Backup. Now, your device returned to default home screen. If you like these Miui 15 dynamic widgets, you can use backup file in this video description to bring it to your device. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching video.